Do you want to know a quick and effective way to make a profit in trading? In this video, we will discuss a scalping strategy that you can use in various markets such as forex, crypto, gold, and many more. The scalping strategy we will share can be applied on 1-minute, 5-minute, and 15-minute charts. However, for optimal results, we recommend using the 15-minute time frame. Don't miss this video because we will ensure you get accurate and clear information on how to increase your trading profits. The scalping strategy discussed in this video will only use the 2 best TradingView scalping indicators that you can use for free. But before we continue, don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading Strategy channel. In this example, we will use a forex pair as an example. Now, open your TradingView and go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type in halftrend. Then, select the halftrend from everget. Next, go to the halftrend indicator settings. In the Input tab, change the amplitude to 4. After that, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, follow the settings I do. Then, change the color of the halftrend indicator. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. This first half-trend indicator will be used as a trend guide in the market. When the half-trend indicator is green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this scenario, your main focus is to find the best point to place a buy order. When the half-trend indicator is red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this scenario, your main focus is to find the best point to place a sell order. Now, add the second indicator that will be used to guide order placements in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type in halftrend again. Select the halftrend indicator from everget once more. Next, go to the settings of the second halftrend indicator. In the Input tab, leave the indicator at its default settings. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck the boxes for ATR high, ATR low, ATR high ribbon, and ATR low ribbon. Then, set the colors following the settings I use. This second half-trend indicator will be used to guide order placements in the market. When a green arrow appears, it indicates a buy signal. When a red arrow appears, it indicates a sell signal. To clarify further, let's discuss how to use this scalping strategy in detail. How to place a buy order. If a green arrow appears, it indicates a buy signal. To confirm the buy signal, ensure that the second half-trend line is also green. If both half-trend lines are green, it indicates a valid buy signal. For further confirmation, make sure the candlestick that forms is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are confirmed, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Set the stop loss at the last swing low. Set the take profit target using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If a red arrow appears, it indicates a sell signal. To confirm the sell signal, ensure that the second half-trend line is also red. If both half-trend lines are red, it indicates a valid sell signal. For further confirmation, make sure the candlestick that forms is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are confirmed, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Set the stop loss at the last swing high. Set the take profit target using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Make sure to always maintain your money management and trading psychology, as no strategy can guarantee a 100% win rate. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you gained new knowledge today. That concludes our discussion for now, and see you in the next video.